Hi, welcome to MathWiz. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find nth term of different type of sequences, whether it is linear sequences, exponential sequences, quadratic sequences, and I will show with few examples. And then after this video, I'll make another video on solving past papers from IGCSE Maths, and questions will be taken from the topic past papers based on sequences. Sequential question in a worksheet will be solved taken from the past paper. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to subscribe the channel so that you will not miss the coming videos. So let's start with this example. First type we have linear sequences. So in this sequence, if you see what is happening here, we have 4, 10, 16, 22. You can see here the sequence is increasing by a constant number. And what is that? Let us see. 4 plus 6. We will get 10. 10 plus 6. 16. 16 plus 6. 22. Okay. So whatever this constant addition or subtraction comes, what will be the nth term? You write here 6, 6, 6 everywhere, the difference. So 6n. Okay. Now 6n. So put n equal to 1. You are getting 6. 6 into 1 is 6. How to find what you need to add or subtract in this to get the sequence? Let us go one step back. So if you are going left side, you need to subtract 6, right? 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So your answer becomes 6n minus 2. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. So this is your answer. Let's take another sequence which is decreasing sequence. This linear sequences are also called arithmetic sequence because same quantity we are adding or subtracting to get the next term. Now let us see what is being done here to find the next term. 11 to 7, 7 to 3, 3 to minus 1. So what is happening actually? Subtracting 4 from the term to get the next term, right? So your nth term is here minus 4n. Now you have to find what you need to add or subtract in this to get the sequence. We'll go one step back. Now right side we were subtracting 4, so left side going will be adding 4. Okay. So 11 plus 4, 15. 15 is positive, so minus 4n plus 15. This is the nth term of this sequence. Let me put in the box. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Let's go to another type of the sequences. Exponential sequences. Exponential sequences means power comes in the constant power variable. So 2, 4, 8, 16. If you see this, what is happening here? Can we write 2 is 2 power 1, 4 means 2 power 2, 8 2 power 3, 16 2 power 4. So nth term will be given by 2 to the power n. Very clear, very simple. Nth term will be given by 2 power n. Now let's take another one. Here, starting from 3, 3, 9, sorry, 1, 3, 9, 27. So 3 means 3 to the power 1, 9, 3 power 2, 27, 3 power 3. But what about 1? Can we write in terms of 3 power something? 3 power 0, right? In this case, what will be the nth term for this sequence? See, 3 to the power n minus 1, because instead of 3 power 1, we are starting from the previous one. So we are going one step back. So n minus 1. Now you can check. When n equal to 1, 3 power 1 minus 1, that is 0. That means 3 power 0 is 1. So first term we got. If you are putting n equal to 2 in this, you will be getting 2 minus 1, that is 3 power 1. So 3 power 1 is 3. So we are getting the terms. That means this is working. So we are done with this part. Now let us see quadratic sequences. 1, 4, 9, 16. If you observe these numbers, they are square numbers. They are very much clear. They are square numbers. So for square numbers, nth term will be n square. So n square is the answer for this. Now let us see the next sequence. 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. So if you observe, they are also square numbers, but starting from 0. How it is possible? It is possible when you are subtracting 1 from n. See how? N 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 square is 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 square is 1. So we are getting a sequence. That means answer for this will be n minus 1 square. Let me put in the box. Starting 1 left side means generally square number is starting from 1, 4, 9, 16. So we are going one step left and we are starting from 0. So that means 1 we need to subtract. So n minus 1 whole square. Now 4, 9, 16, 25. So starting from the next number, not from the first, second number. That means second term, so n plus 1 square. Same way you can find for sometimes you can get n minus 2 whole square, sometimes you may get n plus 3 square. So you can compare with the original square numbers and you will get easily these answers. Let us take the next one. 1, 2, 5, 10, 17. Here are sequences given. If I am writing a see, if you observe, write here square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. So what if you observe here, these numbers are higher by 1, 1 more than the numbers in the square number. What does it mean? We can write the nth term as n square plus 1. Very simple. 1 is being added in each number to get, so n square plus 1. This is answer. Now let us see the next one. Again compare with the square numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16. If you compare here, they are one less than the square numbers. What does it mean? N square minus 1. Given sequence in the exam paper, that can be one more, one less, two more, two less, something like that. So easily you can find comparing with the square numbers. But sometimes they are not very obvious what is happening here. In that case, we need to find the difference. Okay, let us see, like example number 6, what we can do here. These are not very obvious. So let us find the difference. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. Now we find the difference, second difference. First difference not equal, so we will go to the second difference. Now 2, 2. So they are equal, right? So they are equal to, whenever we got second difference equal, so second difference divide by 2. Okay. So 2 divided by 2, that will be giving us 1. That means we will take n square. N square will be the part of your nth term formula for this sequence. This is not completed yet. So we'll see what more will come here. How to find that? Sequence already we have here. Let us find now n square here we have got, so that you write n square here. N square is 1, 4, 9, 16. Right? So next what we need to do? We find s minus n square. S minus n square. If you are finding s minus n square, what will get? 9 minus 1, 8. 13 minus 4, 9. 19 minus 9, 10. 27 minus 16, 11. And it will come so on, right? Now, so s minus n square, we got this. And if we'll write, see, if you see here, this is a linear sequence, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11, what is happening? Increasing by 1, 1. So comes n. And from 8, if you go one step back, what will get? 7. That means plus 7 comes. See, now it is working. N equal to 1. So 1 plus 7, the first sum should be 8. N equal to 2. So 2 plus 7, 9. N equal to 3. So 3 plus 7, 10. So it is working, right? Now what you need to do, you need to just combine this. See, we have already got this is n square. So this is n square, this is n plus 7, add both. N square plus n plus 7. This is your final nth term formula for this sequence. Okay. I'll show one more example, then it will be more clear to you. Let's see this one. Now let us find the difference again. Here differences are 5, 9, 13. Let us find the second difference. 4, 4. Okay. In this case, 4 here, so 4 divided by 2. We will get 2. That means 2n square will be part of the formula. Okay. If 6 comes here, the second difference, so 6 divided by 2, that is 3n square will come. Understood? Okay. This is the sequence, right? Now let us find 2n square, because here 2n square is the part of this. So 2n square, let us write. So 2n square means 2 into 1 square for the first term, that will be 2. Okay. Then 2 into 2 square, that will be 8. 2 into 3 square, that will be 18. 2 into 4 square, that will be 32, and so on. What you need to do now? We need to subtract from original sequence. So s minus 2n square, what will you get? Sorry. So minus 5 minus 2, that will be minus 7. 0 minus 8, minus 8. 9 minus 18, minus 9. 22 minus 32, minus 10, and so on. For this, what will be the sequence? So for this sequence, see what is happening? 1 being subtracted each time. So that means minus n. Now go one step back, left side from minus 7. So you will get minus 6. So minus 6 comes here. So this is the for this part. Now you need to combine with the answer here. So minus n minus 6. This is your answer. I hope it makes sense. Let's go to now cubic sequences. Cubic sequences means you must be aware of cube numbers like 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. So in this case, what will be the nth term? First one, very obvious, it will be n cube, right? So n cube, answer for this. Because this is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, so n cube answer. Now, if you see here, this is these all are also cube number, but starting from 0 going one step left. What does it mean? It is n minus 1 whole cube. Let us see this is working or not. Put n equal to 1, so 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0 cube, so 0. 2 minus 1, 1 cube, so 1. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 cube is 8, so 8. So it is working. Answer will be this. Okay. Now next. 827. See, if you compare, it is starting from here comes like 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, and so on, right? But starting from the next value, that means it is n plus 1 whole cube. And you can check whether it is working or not. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 cube is 8. So we start from first term we got. Then you put a, for the second term, put n equal to 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 cube is 27. So this is working. Now let's take the next one. Again, let us write here cube numbers. They are near to cube numbers if you see 0, 7, 7 is near to 8, 26 is near to 27, 63 is near to 64, 124 is near to 125. So if you write here cube numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, then 125. So what is happening for this? It is n cube, you know. So for this, what is happening? 1 less. That means n cube minus 1. It is working. 125 minus 1 is 124. 64 minus 1 is 63. So all are 1 less than the cube number. So n cube minus 1. Okay. So this is your answer. Let us take the next one. Again, write here cube numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, and 125, and so on. And for this, it is n cube, we know. Now, what about this? If you see, they are all 1 higher than the actual number. 1 plus 1, 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 27 plus 1, 8, 28. So that means here we will be getting n cube plus 1. So answer for this sequence is n cube plus 1. Okay. So we saw in this video, we saw different type of sequences and how to find their nth term. I'll make another video soon where I'll be solving past paper questions taken from IGCSE Maths 0580 paper number 4. So I request you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, so that you will not miss the coming videos. Thank you. Keep watching MathWiz.